My name is Vince Arcello. I own this 2003 330i E46 BMW Rocket Bunny Pandem. I love cars. I love everything to do with cars and motorsports. I enjoy it. I enjoy showing off where I'm at with my build. I love talking to people about their build, and maybe even get ideas from them to see, oh, maybe I should do this with my car instead of, going this route. That's the biggest reason why I like to come out. I like talking to people, I like networking, I like showing off the car. Hard to say, really. I think it's just, maybe it seems like the newer generation doesn't value what they have as much as we did back in the day, because maybe they were raised, given things. My first car, I had to buy it. And then just like this, it was probably one of my bigger purchases that I've had, at the early ages of being an adult was buying this car. And I think that's like honestly the biggest thing, I think, is that they don't value what they have now compared to the older generation, I would say. I remember telling my parents I wanted to be a mechanic, and to be physically doing that, and my car was my outlet, my truck is my outlet, my motorcycle is my outlet, and to see the beginning phase of that, and then seeing where it's at now, and knowing that this is the beginning result, this is the end result for now, that's part of the reason why I will always love doing it. Like I said, enjoying meeting the people, talking to the people, seeing where their builds are at, trying to give my opinion, taking their opinion on mine. Why did you choose this lift kit instead of this lift kit? Why did you choose these tires instead of these tires? It's enlightening. It's enlightening and exciting for me. I'll always love cars and love everything to do with motorsports. So.